quick video time. Shaved the beard. Went with this. Going a little orange chopper look. Not the best look, but another week. Then it's gone. So, I upgraded the lights in here, so it's so bright that I don't even know if I can get away from it, but I added 2 of those lights. It's crazy. LEDs are easy, but anyway, why am I here? Why am I talking to you right now? For a quick review. Now, if you haven't seen before, this is the gas tank I had done. You probably know I'm a cop. So I got the thin blue line with this 3D skull. I mean, you really can't tell from this video, but it protrudes. It's badass. A lot of compliments on it. So anyway, that's the tank. I went with the electric blue Advan Black console. Picks up the electric blue of the inner fairing, which doesn't go on a 20 Road Glide, but I like the blue. So I'm replacing this. What am I replacing it with? What am I replacing it with? Let's find out. First, roll the intro. All right, what am I replacing it with? Check out Brock Black Designs. I'll put the link in here. I had the tank done by him. I got some other work being done on the fairing next. But let me show you the console that I just had done to match what I have. So basically, I brought the electric blue in the eyes. So I have the same exact, well, it's a Spartan skull with the washed out stars and stripes. So I'll try to show you from the side. Probably play cool music right now. So basically that's it. I'm going to put it on a bike and show you what it looks like. I just want to do a quick review. Again, that's the tank. That's what it looked like before. Let's see what it looks like after. All right, that's done. I put the new console on. You be the judge. Does it complete the look? Did you like the blue better? Put in the comments. And hit the like and subscribe. I keep asking, nobody does it. Okay.